Allow me to extend my condolences to the wife of J.M. Kariuki, Mama Terry Kariuki, who has passed on, and request the minister that because of the unique history of Josiah Mwangi Kariuki in this country, the state should remember that his wife is dead. Mr. Speaker, my question is as follows. What is the status of investigations into the attack on Honorable Peter Salasia, MP, Member of Parliament from Mumias East constituency, at Harambe in Bukhaya Catholic Church in Mumias Town on 12th of November 2023? 2. Violent altercation between rival groups at Bulimbo Primary School in Khalwale Ward on 2nd December 2023 during the burial of the late Senator Godliver Nangira Omondi that resulted in numerous injuries and significant damage to property. 3. The altercation between His Excellency the Honorable Fernandez Barasa, Governor of Kakamega, and the Honorable Elsie Muhanda, MP, Woman Representative for Kakamega, at a public function in Eregi area in a Kolomani constituency on the 17th of November 2024, which sparked tension amongst residents of the county. And 4, violent altercation between rival groups at Matungu constituency on the 8th of February 2025 during the burial of the late Chief Agostino Odongo, resulting in numerous injuries and significant damage to property. And could the Cabinet Secretary disclose the identities of the perpetrators and financiers or sponsors of these acts of violence and explain why they have not been arrested and arraigned in court? What's more, could the Cabinet Secretary tell us what the government is doing to address the rise in such incidents of violence and guarantee security at public functions, particularly those attended by politicians? I thank you.
Honorable CS, you may proceed to respond.